So Bhaktajano, we're coming to the end of Sundarkand. And last week we concluded where Sagar Devta appeared and begged Bhagavan to forgive him. Bhagavan did tapasya, 3 दिन के लिए Bhagavan did tapasya. For 3 days, and Sagar Devta would not respond to Bhagavan Shri Ram's prarthana. Finally, Shri Ram took up his bow and arrow and let go of it. He didn't let go, he just pull it like that. And then a huge ball of fire appeared in the ocean. All the reptiles in the ocean started to feel the effects of that power of Shri Ram's arrow, the fire in the ocean. Sagar Devta appeared with a thali in his hand, with all kinds of gems. And he came before Bhagavan and asked for forgiveness. And I told those who were here last week, sometimes हम लोग ऐसा भी करते हैं. We come before Bhagavan, we believe we can bribe Bhagavan. सोचिए, कभी-कभी हम सोचते हैं, I'll bribe Bhagavan. Prabhu, I have this desire, please fulfill it. Then I'll come to mandir. Bhagavan fulfills desire, क्या हुआ? अरे प्रभु, I am busy today, I can't go to. आज मंदिर नहीं जा सकता. Remember, in any bargain you make with Bhagavan, Bhagavan fulfills his end of the bargain. Satyanarayan Vrat Katha, remember the story of the Vanik, the businessman who bartered for a child. And you see what he went through in life? Never barter with Bhagavan. Bhagavan always does his job. But we lack when it comes to keeping our promise with Bhagavan. इसलिए अंत में पछताएंगे. We'll feel the effects. You have to go through. The moment you make a commitment that you'll do something and you don't keep your word, there will be consequences, my friends. So Sagar Devta had to be taught an important lesson. He believed he could have bribed Bhagavan with all these different kinds of jewelry. He came in a beautiful thali before Bhagavan. Prabhu, kshama kijiye. We all make mistakes and we beg for forgiveness. I hear it sometimes. People wrong us in life. What we say, I can never forget such and such. I can never forgive such and such person. कभी-कभी लोग बोलते हैं, people do wrong thing, they hurt us. Emotionally they hurt us. Sometimes physically they hurt us. And what you say, I can't forget such person. I can never forgive such person. ऐसा मत बोलिए प्यारे. If we're going to ask Bhagavan, क्षमा करना, क्षमा कीजिए प्रभु. If you want Bhagavan to forgive you, and हम लोग हर गलत काम करते हैं हर रोज. We make many mistakes. And if we want Bhagavan to forgive us, प्यारे, be prepared to forgive everyone else. If not, it does not work like that. We can't beg for forgiveness. क्षमा कीजिए प्रभु, क्षमा करिए प्रभु, and we have hate in our minds for another person. ये तो धर्म नहीं है. So he came before Bhagavan Shri Ram and he begged. These were his words. Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram, Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram, Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram. Screen पे पढ़िए, is on the screen, everybody follow. Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram. सभय सिंधु गही पद प्रभु के रे, सभय सिंधु गही पद प्रभु के रे, क्षमहु नाथ सब अवगुण मेरे, क्षमहु नाथ सब समीर अनल जलधरनी, गगन समीर अनल जल धरनी इन्ह कही नाथ सहज जड़ करनी इन्ह कही नाथ सहज जड़ करनी श्री राम जय जय राम 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 सभय सिंधु पद प्रभु खेरे extremely terrified. He saw the power of Sri Ram's arrow. So extremely terrified, समुद्र ने डर कर प्रभु के चरण पकड़ लिए और कहा, हे नाथ, मेरे सब अवगुणों को क्षमा कीजिए. He was petrified, so much fear in his heart. He grabbed on Bhagavan's feet. Forgive me, Prabhu, I made a terrible mistake. What was the mistake? He did not respond to Bhagavan's prayers. Bhagavan asks of his permission to make a way in the ocean so that he and his army can go to Lanka, can cross Mahasagar. Now, Sagar Devta, sometimes we make mistakes, my friends, and we're all guilty of this. We make mistakes and we ask for forgiveness, but what we're saying, hum log chalak. Very cunningly, I made a mistake, but it's not totally my fault. How much of you did that? Raise your hand. आप बाकी लोग संत हैं ना? And the rest of you संत हैं ना? I did it, Prabhu, but totally it's not my fault. I can take half of the blame. When you do something wrong, please accept the responsibility. Look how smart he is. Gagana Samir Anala Jaladharani Inha Kahinat Sahaja Jarakarani. These 5 elements, Prabhu, not only me, the 5 elements, air, wind, air and wind, one, fire, water, earth. All of these 5 elements, Prabhu, O Nath, they're naturally dull with it, meaning that they can't operate by themselves. So he's blaming these 5 elements. And in a very cunning way, because he knew in Vedanta, shayad aap log, you heard, those who heard the word Panchikarana, raise your hand. It's a Sanskrit word. Panchikarana. Ha, at least someone bhakta know. It talks about the Vedic concept of creation. Please, when you go home, Google Panchikarana and learn something about Panchikarana. You must know this, the Vedic concept of creation, pyare. As a Hindu, at least this much you must know. So what is the Vedic concept of creation? These 5 elements that came out of Bhagavan, each of the elements, earth, fire, water, ether, space, first, before creation, they have to be divided into half. Earth, all these elements must be divided into half. And out of the half remain in its purest form. And the other half is divided into 4 parts. And they're mixed together to create this cosmos. So what he's saying, bahut chalak aadmi. Even these 5 elements are not pure. They make mistakes. I made mistakes, but in a very subtle way, he's sharing the blame, so to speak. So this is the concept of Panchikarana for creation. And because of, as a matter of fact, Adi Shankaracharya, you should read his work about creation and Vedanta. This is his concept about creation. Baithiye please. Baithiye please. Aram se baithiye please. Sabko shant hokar baithiye please. Ha, baithiye please. Thank you. You know what? First thing, everybody aage badhiye. Everyone please come forward. Yeah, people are coming and there's no sabko aage badhiye. Everyone please come forward, please. Aage badhiye. Please come and sit close, Pastor. Yeah. If not, somebody will come from the back and sit right in front of you and block you. Please come forward. Please, thank you. Thank you. So this is how creation started in Vedanta. So even these elements are not pure, Prabhu. What about me? Sagar Devata continued to blame Maya. Next, having blamed the elements, he blamed Maya. And we all blame Maya. How we blame Maya? That a person who is diabetic knows he or she should not drink Coke. but the Coke bottle is there and the glass is there. What happens? I'll say Coke, you figure out the rest. A person who has addiction. And it's as if this Coke bottle is telling this person, come. And the person gets up like a remote. Goes to the Coke bottle, picks it up, pours it in the glass and drinks it. The person knows it's not good for him or her because of the person has diabetes. That's the problem with addiction. So Maya, we see things sometimes and we take them to be real. We use the five senses, we interact with the universe, we take this body to be real. But we know the body ages. The body will never remain stagnant, it will always grow, it will always age, it will die. The universe as well, in creation, creation is there, it will last 44 yuga, then it will destroy, and creation starts again. So he didn't want to take the blame again. What he said in the Chaupai, Tava Prerita Maya Upajaya, will sing the Chaupai, then we look at the meaning. Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Rama, Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram. Daiye.
Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Rama, Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Rama.
Tava Prerita Maya Upjaye, Tava Prerita Maya Upjaye, Srishti Hetu Sab Granth Nigaye, Srishti Hetu Sab Granth Nigaye, Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Rama, Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Rama,
Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Rama, Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Rama.
प्रभु आय सुजहि कहा जस अहई, प्रभु आय सुजहि कहा जस अहई, सोते ही भांति रहे सुख लहरी, सोते ही भांति रहे सुख लहरी। श्री राम जय जय रामा, श्री राम जय जय रामा,
Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Rama, Shri Ram Jai Ram.
राम जय जय राम। तब प्रेरित माया उपजाए, सृष्टि हेतु सब ग्रंथ निगाए। प्रभु, your Maya, you sent forth your Maya at the time of creation. These elements came out of Maya. The elements I just told you about came out of Prabhu's Maya. For Panchikarana, each element is divided into half, and the other half is divided into 4 quarters, and they mix together to create everything, to create this entire cosmos, to create everything, living beings, trees and everything. So Prabhu, your Maya is so powerful, so they clear all the Vedas, all sacred books. Let us look at one verse from Bhagavad Gita quickly about Maya. Bhagavad Gita chapter 7 verse 14 says, Daivi Hesha Gunamahi Mama Maya Duratyaya Mame Vaye Prapadyante Maya Metam Tarantite. Bhagavan Shri Krishna says, O Arjuna, and please yad rakhiye, when he's speaking to Arjuna, he's speaking to you and I. He's speaking to the entire universe. My Maya consisting of, and in creation, we have the 3 modes. Satugun, Rajugun, and Tamogun. Another day we'll talk, what is Satugun? What is Sattva? What is Raja? What is Tamas? Time will not permit us today because we have to finish for 8:30. So these 3 gunas are there with the 5 elements and creation starts. So, O Prabhu, because of these 3 guna, it is very difficult for one to understand or to cross this Maya, this illusion. You know, in Durga Saptashati, in Tantoktra Devi Suktam, there's one beautiful prayer that we recite. Bhaktas of Mataji, every Friday we recite it here. Repeat after me. Om Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu विष्णु मायेति शब्दिता, विष्णु मायेति शब्दिता, नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः, नमस्तस्यै नमो नमः. O Mataji, you are the elusive, the power of Vishnu Bhagavan, the Maya of Vishnu Bhagavan. Mahamaya, she's called. So she's that elusive power of Vishnu Bhagavan. So, oh Prabhu, because of this Maya, we all make these mistakes. And again, he's not taking his responsibility, he's blaming someone else. Who is blaming? He's blaming the five elements. Then he's blaming Maya for his wrong deeds. How do we cross Maya? Mam eva ye prapadyante maya metam tarantati. Bhagavan says, excuse me, you can't cross Maya. आपके बस की बात नहीं है, हमारे बस की बात नहीं है. How we do शरणागति. प्रभु हमें बचाओ प्रभु. Please save us from Maya, Prabhu. Only by surrendering to Bhagavan, Sri Krishna says, only by surrendering to me, O Arjuna, one is able to cross Maya. So we surrender to Bhagavan. Because Maya is so powerful, it takes all of us for a ride sometimes. And when we finish the ride, what happens? We get tired. And we're lost. And Maya is always there. It's like we're pulling wool over our eyes. So in order to cross Maya, Sharanagati karo. Now, Prabhu ayasu jehikaha jasa ahai. At the end of the lengthy conversation, he says, one would attain happiness in life by remaining where Bhagavan has placed. For the bhakta, where Bhagavan has placed the bhakta should remain there, and the bhakta should do his or her swadharma. Earlier in the Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavan says, it's better to do your dharma and fail than to attempt to do someone else's dharma and be an expert at it. So Bhagavan places us in a position based on our karma. I told you many times, Bhagavan does not punish anyone. We create our own destiny through karma. Bhogna parega. It doesn't matter your race, your religion, sabko bhogna parega. You have to face the consequences of our karma. So in whatever situation Bhagavan places you, be happy there. Complain mat kariye. मैं भी कभी कभी कंप्लेन करता हूँ, क्या करूँ, मैं संसारी, आप you're all संसारी. This beautiful bhajan tells us what to do. आप सब जानते हैं. We'll sing it together. सीताराम 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 कहिए, चाहे विधि रखे राम ताहि विधि रहिए. सीताराम 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 कहिए, चाहे विधि रखे राम ताहि विधि रहिए. In whatever situation Ramji placed you, please try your best to be comfortable, be happy. What else you should do? मुख में हो राम नाम, राम सेवा हाथ में. मुख में हो राम नाम, राम सेवा हाथ में. तू अकेला नहीं प्यारे, राम तेरे साथ में. तू अकेला नहीं प्यारे, राम तेरे साथ में. विधि का विधान जान, हानि लाभ सही है. चाहे विधि रखे राम ताहि विधि रहिए. सीताराम 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 कहिए, चाहे विधि रखे राम ताहि विधि रहिए. किया अभिमान तो फिर मान नहीं पाएगा, होगा प्यारे वही जो श्री राम जी को भाएगा. होगा प्यारे वही जो श्री राम जी को भाएगा. फल आशा त्याग शुभ काम करते रहिए. चाहे विधि रखे राम चाहे विधि रहिए. सीताराम 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 कहिए, चाहे विधि रखे राम ताहि विधि रहिए जाहि विधि रखे राम ताहि विधि रहिए जाहि विधि रखे राम ताहि विधि रहिए. At the end of it, he realized, Prabhu wants you to be happy in whatever situation you place him or her. These are the words of Sagar Devata. And this bhajan summarizes how we should try our best to be happy. Never compare your life with another person. As the statement goes, the grass on the other side always looks greener. When you go over, then you will see the real color. Whatever situation you find yourself, Ram Ram kahiye pyare. Whatever you seek in life, Ram Ram kahiye. If the present situation is not right, Ram Ram kahiye, he will change it. If the present situation is perfect, Ram Ram kahiye, thank you boliye. So whatever situation we find ourselves in, call upon Prabhu pyare. Truly speaking, there's only one friend we have. ये तो हमारे राम जी और कुछ नहीं है. The only person has been there for us. Remember, Atma has no word. So we came from Ramji. And somehow this Maya made us forget who we are. If we take ourselves to be the body or emotions, the wealth that we have, the knowledge that we have, the name and fame that we have, somehow we get attached to all of these negative things, this Maya. And we forget where we came from. Let us call upon Ramji. He is the only one. That's our destination. As a matter of fact, when someone dies, क्या बोलते हैं? Ram Naam Satya hai. There's only one Satya Pyare. The baby comes into the world, Ram Ram boliye. That's why our children, when they start picking on them to say Ram first, introduce them to this name Ram. So they hold on this name Ram. They live their life surrendering to Ramji. This is the power of Ramji. बोलिए रामचंद्र भगवान की जय, पवन सुत हनुमान की जय,